How on a day? The tour continues, as in the walking around, the sightseeing in the state of Israel. It doesn't end. It will continue. So today, I am at the city of Akko. Akko is after Haifa. It's a historical city in the state of Israel, and today we won't come see where knights, as in time of the Crusaders, where they've been there. See who they here. Travel Vlogs, aka Solomon, and of course
so now Solomon
Victor, aka Travel Vlogs, aka
Solomon, aka Travel Vlog.
Okay, Solomon, aka Travel Vlogs. So make we dey go. See that beautiful mosque. Oh, look at this. Make una no just ask me, make I explain anything, because as I did so, I am just a novice at this location, just like you watching. But one thing I do know is that we're going to the Templars night location here at the city of Akko. See, these are ancient structures, old buildings where the Crusaders, the knights, used at their own time. It's a tourist place, and a lot of people are here also for sightseeing. The same reason we're here? No, ours is a different reason. We came to make videos, but others just came, to feed their eyes, to learn about history.
That's Crackhead.
And that's Travel Vlogs. Of course, now. Yeah. Night hostel and guest house. That's what you're seeing there, if actually you can see it. Look at this beautiful place. Old structures. Right, let's keep going. So if you're looking for a place to lodge once you're in the city of Akko, especially at this site, this is a hostel and guest house for you. So guys, it's a lovely, beautiful, and amazing day in the city of Akko. As usual, I'm on my own personal tour. Yeah. Knights Hall, Crusader Citadel, the Knights Halls.
Where's everything?
Here, look.
Okay, yeah.
Crusader Citadel, the Knights Hall. Visitors and reservations. So guys, this is our first port of call, and we're gonna go in here.
Inside?
Yeah, I think. look at this beautiful and amazing place. Beautiful. Yeah, go there. Okay,